Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the sky, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies.
for the trading, but stay for the fun. Happy trading, everyone. My name is Future Obits, and welcome to some live session here with me here on Twitch. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're ready for another trading week. Last week was successful. We managed to get those buys and we get those sells down to the buys. So yeah, really nice to see. But gold seems to go even lower. Very surprised that this low got taken out, which tells me that we're probably heading down to the next low, which is here at 3,888.87, right? So if we can see price come down here later today, that would be nice for a buy the dip opportunity. As I told to you already, guys, if you are in from buys here or here or here, if you have a big stop loss, or if your account can take it, it doesn't really matter because it's gonna go up regardless. But the question is just if it's gonna go up from here, or if it's gonna go have one here or here or here, or like just this is a buy the dip lifetime opportunity, right? If you buy gold at these lows and price goes all the way up to 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, continue up to 10,000, you can hold for long term, and that's what we do in the VIP, right? So, but if you're here just here for like 100 pips, 300 pips, it's also very fine. What we're looking at here is a missing top wick on the 89 level. And then from there, when we scroll down to the lower time frame, there is not much to see other than we are still in this 4-hour downtrend here. And as long as we don't break this uptrend trend line here, that means we are still due to lower prices. So on the 1-hour level here, we can see that the price tried to break 30 and didn't manage to do so. I still believe here, same with the 15-minute time frame, that we have some kind of 4-hour shield here, or for 4-hour top here, or 4-hour like ceiling here, that is also held by the 15-minute level here. And if you go to the 15-minute level and you line those two levels up against each other, then you can see there that we are in this 15-minute channel to the downside, held by this 4-hour trend line, right? So that means if we can see any kind of selling pressure in this level here just above, that would still hold this narrative that we have a strong ceiling here and that we are to continue for lower prices. So what I'm looking for here, guys, I'm looking for price to come up and sweep above the 37 level, maybe go to 40 or 50. And then once I see a 15-minute bearish candle, then we can sell it down to 3,960 or potentially the 3,977 level. And then from there, we have to figure out, do we buy here or do we actually wait for price to come down to reach the next level in this 15-minute, which could be like here or here, right? So very exciting, guys, and we are very close to the bottom. I can barely I can almost taste it. So hello, guys, how you doing? Hello, Maxi. Hello, Spacey. Hello, Stark. How are you, guys? Are you ready to buy the dip, guys? Are you ready to take it to the all-time high once we get there? It's very close. I think it's gonna. It's. I said it before, but like when I saw this, when I saw this daily here being held here, and then we saw one more low here, and then we saw this bullish order block here, I was like, okay, now it's just about like sweeping the lows, manipulating, sweeping the lows, and then come up again. I don't think you're going much slower. As I said to you, you might go to 3,900, maybe 3,888. But like if you just keep holding the demand zone and you keep creating support, eventually we will have the buy the dip opportunity. So it's gonna be very interesting. Hello, Jakar. Hey Sayang. Please do another WND. I missed it last week. Doc, unfortunately, this week we don't have any new week, new deal. But we do have the 6-month discount, and we also have the the 1-year discount, and we also have 3 months discount, right? But that's about it. The VIP is $149. Last week it was down to $67, but we don't have that now. It's just VIP $149. So if you would like to take advantage of that, it's $149. But if you want 6 months or 3 months or 1 year, you will of course be much more discount on the on the bigger time frame, right? So yeah. So either you have to wait start, or you have to grab the opportunity now, or you have to take advantage of the 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year, right? Let's see here if we can manage to get up above that 36 and grab that liquidity right here in this area. Get it? So guys, once again, I'm looking for price to come up here, retest, and then come down with a bearish 50-minute candle so we can sell it down. Okay, feeling better? Yes, I feel much better. Hope you all recovered. Well recovered now? Yeah, I'm feeling much better. I'm even eating watermelon. Are you guys enjoying the summer? The lovely weather, the sun is shining, global warming, heat waves. Remember to stay hydrated, guys. Hello. Do you think gold will go to 4,200? Hello, Abu. Yes, I definitely think gold is going to go to 4,200, 4,500, 5,000 and everything. I just wait to see if we can come down to 3,900 or 3,887 first. Right? So either we can see something like this, or we can see something like this, right? So that's what I'm waiting for, Abu. Waiting for the last leg down, the final leg down. That's interesting. Hopefully we're gonna get it soon. Too hot here. Have also some watermelon ready. Nice. Why? What happened? Hey Gilton. What happened with what? With our sick or what? I was just sick. I was just sick, man. I've been coughing and sick for like 2 weeks, I think. 3 weeks maybe. On most of my streams I was just coughing and felt bad, and I had one stream where I even had to like take a trade, and then after that I just went offline because I couldn't take it, right? Oh. But yeah guys, just waiting for that retest so we can sell it down. That's all. That's all. So let's be patient. Let's be patient. Patience is a virtue. Patience is key. Should have the 1 hour close bullish. Should have like a move up and then come down. Should happen soon, guys. Shouldn't happen soon. I went live later today because I didn't want to be stuck in this consolidation loop here. We always catch it doing the Twitch stream, so just waiting, see if price could consolidate a little bit more before we went live. Have you watched any World Cup games? No, I'm waiting for the final, bro. Waiting for the final. I'm not so interested in football, to be honest. It's just for me, it's and I might offend somebody now, but if you like football, I love it. You do you that's your hobby, that's your follow sport and stuff. It's totally fine. I'm just not a football person. But yeah, for me it's just a bunch of guys running around and chasing a ball. That's that's what it is for me. So it's not really my thing. I understand why people like it because it's entertaining and the competitive element in it, and it's fun to see like how good people can score and like the tricks and stuff they can do. But to me, it's just people running around chasing a ball. So yeah, no, it's not really my thing. But of course, I want to watch the final because I want to see like who's gonna be the world champion, obviously. But everything until that point doesn't really matter to me. Hello, Rule. How's it going? Mm-mm-mm. Is it very hot, guys, at your places? Is it very hot? Where you from? Okay, let's see, guys. And we managed to take out my zone and come back down close below it. Makes sense. It helps to watch it like the players are trying to crack a safe open, and when they score, they succeed in opening it. All right, yeah, that's a good way to put it. That's a good way to put it. But like for me, it's like this, bro. You see, this is the field, right? So this is the left field, and this is the right field. You have the goal here. That's your goal right there. The audience is sitting right here, right? And then it's closed with commercials and stuff like that. And then here the audience is sitting here, and it closes commercial, and then there's like this whole round thing going around here, and then bunch of people sitting here, bunch of people sitting here, 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 here. This is the second goal, and then you have all the players around this here. Boom, 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 boom. Some people are attackers, some people are defenders, some people are, left flank, right flank, whatever it is. And then you have the ball here. And then the goal is literally here, and the goal is literally here. This is the field. This is how small it is, right? But for some reason, the ball goes here, then it goes here, 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 or 45 minutes or more or 1 hour. And then at some point, one person managed to get it into the goal. And then maybe, if you're lucky, you have 2 goals. Or maybe you have 2 or 3 goals or 4 goals. Like, so it'll be 2-2, or it'll be 1-1 or 1-2 or something. But for 1 hour and another hour, or I think 1 hour and 45 minutes or 1 hour and 30 minutes, the ball is just going back and forward, and all these people are chasing it back and forward, but they can manage to score for 1 hour and 45 minutes. It's like if it was something like this, like basketball, or like with the with what's called handball, right? Where it's like, okay, 90, 90, 90, 60 or something like that. But it's not. Like 1 hour and 45 minutes could literally be 1-2. So you're telling me I have to sit there for 1 hour and 45 minutes to see 3, 2, or 1 goals? You're telling me these people are running around chasing the ball and they can manage to get it in the goal for 1 hour and 45 minutes. I'm sorry, but like it's too much waste of my time. So like, again, I said I would offend somebody, and I did. But like, it's just I respect for you guys if you can sit there for 1 hour and 45 minutes to see 1 to 4 goals. Maybe one day you see 5 goals. I don't know, but in handball or in basketball, I can see a million goals, right? Like, I can see so many goals, and it goes fast. It's like something's happening all the time. Football is like, okay, we go here. Okay, now we go here. Okay, then we go here. Okay, we go here. Like, they can't seem to score. Like, just get the ball in the goal, like, bro. Like, what is it? So yeah, there it is, guys. We tapped 50. We tap 50 right there. So now I'm just looking to see if we can get that bearish candle. Looking here. Taps 0.38 level right there. Nice. Good. 12 hour. Okay. 8 hour. Still the fair value gap. Nice. 6 hour. Yes. Still this missing top wick here that's bothering me, but it's too far up for us to care about. Hourly. Yes. Holding that level. There. Order block right there. Nice. Good. Holding that level. 30-minute. Yes. Web that. 15-minute. Yes. Beautiful. Okay. Okay. Let's see, guys, if we can hold it. Okay. Wait 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes, guys. We close below the EMA. Right there. We close below 37. You know what time it is. And sometimes it finishes 0-0 after 1.5 hours. I understand. Yes, right? Like, can you imagine you're sitting there as an audience and you're watching this football game for 1.5 hours or 1 hour and 45 minutes, depending on, the break and like what it takes, in the beginning to do the intro and outro and all these dancers or singers or whatever, the national anthem and stuff like that. I think it's 1 hour and 45 minutes if you count everything, right? But of course I know it's 1 hour and 30 minutes the actual game. But you sit there for that whole time just to experience none is able to score. I mean, isn't that boring? Like, I'm sorry, but like these professional players can't seem to get the ball from here into one of the goals for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Like, I mean, like they're trying to get they're trying to get some kind of entry where they can get it in or some kind of spot. At that point, you know what? I will just take a shot from the middle of the field and see if I can score the goal, because that's too boring. Like, you know what I mean? Like, so yeah, no, it's not for me. And for some people, they get very, very crazy about it, and they go, I think they're all hooligans, right? They go very crazy about it, and they're very happy about it, and I respect that, and I hope that they're having a good time, even when it's 0-0. But yeah, it's just not my thing. Okay, guys. So the 50-minute is about to close in 1 minute. If you only look at the goals, it's not for you. There's more to it. Sure, there's probably the competitive element, right? There is the trick shots. There is there is like the tackles, right? The tackles. Oh, when somebody comes in and tackle, like makes a nice, like, come sliding in, take the ball from somebody, or makes a cool trick shot, or like a Ronaldinho, or like is making like the the scissor where he jumps up in the air and then poof, pushes the ball over his head and stuff like that. Yeah, it's probably cool and all everything, but just not my thing. Okay, guys, we are approaching dribbling. Yeah, but you can do that yourself, man. You can also dribble. You can just take a ball and dribble. Just practice. You can dribble. I'm sure you're not gonna be as good as the professionals to do it, but you can learn it yourself. Like, I can dribble a ball. I don't know anything about football, but I can dribble a ball. Like, it's come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. So we are so far, guys. We're still respecting. We're still respecting. Guys, I think this is it. I think this is it, guys. I'm gonna have a sell stop at 41. Okay. Sell stop at 41. Stop loss above the liquidity here. Target these lows. Okay. It's a sell stop, guys, so we're not in it. If price doesn't flip now, and if it just goes straight up, we're not in it, okay? This is a sell stop. All right. And I'm gonna move my sell stop according to where we go up, okay? 41 is gonna be my sell stop, guys. Stop loss is gonna be the 71. All right. Oh, it's not 70, it's 75. All right. And yeah, it's gonna be 74. That's 200, 300. That's gonna be 4,002. And TP2 is gonna be 3,900. And it is, yeah, 78. And then we of course have the 3,940 level, which is the low. Yeah, let's do that for now. Okay, so we're not in this trade unless we flip. If we don't flip, we get a better risk reward. Don't worry. If this just keeps going up, it's perfect. I'm okay. I'm totally fine. Okay, so we're not in a trade yet. It's a sell stop, okay? Sell stop is here at 41. All right, that means price needs to flip, come all the way down here.
I do the same thing I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay, yeah. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay, yeah.
Hello, Michael. Thank you again for the raid, man. It's becoming a habit of you like going live, and then after the live stream you come straight over here, man. But it's lovely. I love it. Thank you so much. Michael, right now we are waiting for this sell stop. This is a sell stop. It's not a sell now. That means if price doesn't flip and come down, we're not in any trades. If price just continues up, then I'm looking for the liquidity above the 68, hence the stop loss above 75, right? So if we come up here, we get a much better risk to reward, and then we can take it down. What I was looking for here was the 4-hour and the 15-minute lining up here with this liquidity. You can see here on the 1 hour, on the 15 minute here, if you draw a trend line on the 15 minute, you can see here, we just came above it here for a little bit, but this could be a fake out, and then it could flip down. You can see here, if you zoom out, you can see how we up here from Monday, the 22nd of June. We took a bounce from here to here to here to here. We created lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. And then here we bounced again. So this trend line was being held really, really good. When you go to the 4-hour, this is also from this high here. So I have a 4-hour and a 15-minute like trend line or channel, if you want to call it that, where you are holding price so far. So unless I get a 1-hour candle closure above this level, I would say that this can still be a fake out. We can still come up to grab that liquidity above this high here at 68, and then we can take a sell. So I'm not in any sells now, guys. I'm still waiting for the sell stop. If sell stop doesn't happen, well, we can get a better risk to reward. Okay. So this is only if price were to flip here. But if price continues up here, well, I can get a much better risk to reward. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, is I'm gonna move this for now. Okay, I'm gonna move this for now, and I'm gonna simply wait for price to come up to my next level here, which is gonna be the 68. Okay, so this way I can get a much better risk to reward. Yo, Will, I have a TP at 61 and 63. Perfect, perfect, bro. I have the entry at 68, so that aligns with our analysis. Perfect, man. Yo, how's it going, man? You don't have GBT? You don't have GBT? Would you today? You're short. I was not shorting, bro. I had a sell stop, which means if price flipped, then I was in a short, yes. But since we did not flip, you can see here. This is my entry. You see that? That's below the missing bottom wick here. You see that? This is the missing bottom wick right here at 43. If price were to flip, I would be in the sell stop. But since it didn't, then this is invalidated. You know what I mean? So that's how I work. So my next level is going to be here. We have to see how this price is going to react. So guys, if this 50-minute closes above here, then this is invalidated. And we can look for a higher sell, okay? What we also have is this 15-minute fair value gap right here. Oh, right there. That's also a probability. Let's see. Actually, this looks really nice. You can make the fake out on the 1 hour. You can still come down there. Looks pretty bullish there, but I think it's okay. Yeah. I think it's okay. I think I will not take the 68 level, guys. I think I will have the stop loss above the 68 level, and then I will instead take this fair value gap. So, there, here we go. Let's see if it can be filled. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna enter here. Let me know entry. Stop loss above the high. Okay. Yeah. So now here at 59. $89. TB1 is gonna be the same, so it's gonna be 9. 49. 49. 9. 39. 29. Yeah, so it could be 29. Same risk to reward. And then the next one is going to be 3,978. And then, of course, my level, which is the 3,890 level, right? So that's it. That's it, guys. That's it for the levels. So let's see here. And if price were to come a little bit higher, then I can add one more sell here. Okay. All right. Let me know your entry, guys. Let me know your entry. Let's see if we can come back down below my 15-minute channel. So far, this is a 15-minute channel that broke out here with this 15-minute candle coming up, but this could just be a sweep. It went so fast. And also, you notice here, we closed at 29, but from there, we closed at the level. So we didn't break above it. We started a new 15-minute candle that haven't closed yet. We still have another 4 minutes. Obviously, this looks like it's going to close above, but the question is going to close above or below the fair value gap. And then I don't think we're going to come up and take out this high here, because I think we are due to come down and retest this, this trend line and also the channel. If we were to come down here and let's say we get a bounce, then we can get 200 pips in profit and go risk-free, and then it can get a bounce like this, and we can get a sell later. But guys, I'm not looking for buys. As you know, we are still looking for that one leg lower in the final wave 5 Elliott wave, right? So I'm still waiting for that. So yeah, let me know your entry. DB hit, I'm out. Nice, Will. Cool. See? Guys, we are in 0.5 pips drawdown right now. Totally fine. Let's go, SpaceX. You are in at 59 and 62. Nice, bro. Nice. Can we enter now? Yes, we are in, bro. We sold at 59. We are running 20 pips in profit, guys. 20 pips in profit. 20 pips in profit. So, guys, all I'm looking for is just either for price to come down, retest my trend line, and then get a bounce to the upside if it wants to continue being bullish. That will still give us 200 pips. Or I'm looking for price to come down, close below, break up, and then continuation to the downside, right? So it's very simple. Very simple. We broke out here on the lower time frame, the 1 minute, the 3 minute, the 5 minute. I'm not looking at that. I'm not looking at lower time frames, okay? The lowest I look at is the 15-minute time frame. And on the 15, we haven't broken out. Why? Because we closed at my trend line, which means the 4-hour and the 1-hour and the 15-minute channel is still being respected. That tells me that unless we close above this fair value gap here, we're not bullish. This is simply a fake out. So there are two choices. Either we are bullish and we are breaking out, which means you have to come down, touch the trend line, and then continue to the upside, which will give us 200 pips regardless. Or we are due to come down, close below, retest, and then continuation down, right? So either way, I think we're going to get profit. Let's see. We're 20 pips in profit. Sell now? Yes, we are on a sell now. But you are... okay, you are 10 pips away from entry. Yeah, 10 pips. So guys, let me know if you're in the trade with me. Let's see. Okay, guys, we are running in 50 pips profit. You have entered? Yes. Nice, Melon. You enter now? Yes, you are. I'm in the trade. Let's go. Let's see, guys. We're running 50 pips in profit. Okay, 50-minute close. And notice we closed below the fair value gap. So what we want to see, we want to see this come down here, or we want to see just continuation down for a retest to continue up, right? See what happens. Remember, guys, after 100 to 150 pips, we're going to go risk-free. Let's see here. Retesting again. 30-minute close bullish, but again, didn't close bullish above the fair value gap. They want to see price come down here to 32. It wants to continue being bullish. Come on, guys.
Let's go!
Okay, guys, we are running 40 pips in profit. Guys, are you on profit a little bit? A little bit profit? Okay, so what you want to see now is you want to continue to see lower lows and lower highs. So what do you have here? You have a high, but you didn't break this high, right? So this you have a lower high here from this high here, right? This was your higher high. Then you had a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So when you came up here, you didn't break the high. Yes? Good. So this is a lower high. What do you want to see now? You want to see a lower low. What do you want to see? You want to see a lower high and then a lower low and then a lower high and then a lower low. All right? Okay, let's see. We can continue down. I want to see 150 plus pips. We can go risk free. We're currently moving 60 pips, guys. 60 pips. Okay, 70 pips. Can you see it, guys? Okay, guys. 70 pips, come on. What is the retest price? I would like to see price come down. Tap my channel. And if the price then comes down and flips bullish here, then that will take our that will make us risk free and we can take partial. And then price will continue up to 4,088, right? But for now, I'm looking for this, bro. I'm looking for price to come down and invalidate this, make a fake out, and then continue down so we can continue our trade, right? But it's not a guarantee. Okay, guys, we're moving 80 pips. Everybody good?
Let's go!
Yes, yes, let's go. Let's see, Rule, if we can follow through here. Let's see if we can follow through. Come on, give me that 48, baby. Give me that 48, give me that 44, and give me that 40. 48, 44, 40. Okay. Okay, 50-minute candle closing in 8 minutes, guys. All right, moving here almost 90 pips, guys. And there we go, 90 pips. And there it is, 100 plus pips, guys. Go risk-free here, take partial, 100 pips. Guys, 100 plus pips. Take partial here. 100 plus pips. And go risk-free. Stop loss below. Entry for risk-free trade. You're in at 59, then 58.8. If you're in at 60, then 59.8. If you're in at 61, then 60.8, etc. Okay? We're looking for that TP at 4,029. But we're risk-free. So now the question is, are we gonna bounce from here, become bullish again, come up for that liquidity above? Or are we gonna come straight down, close below, tap here, retest, and continuation down? Okay? Hello, Leon. Good. Guys, you okay? Made some profit? Yes? Let's go! Johnny, yes? Artosa, yes? What about you, Will? You're new, bro. You're new, Will. Did you make some profit? 2 seconds, guys. Now let's see, guys. Are we gonna bounce back up? Or are we okay? Let's see. We survived this. So guys, if you're new to the stream, we just sold here at 59. We came down 100 pips. We took 100 pips partial. Now we're waiting for TP1 here at 29. But in order for us to do that, what we need to do is we need to come back down below and then retest the trend line, the channel, and then continuation down, right? The reason why I went risk-free is because if we come down now like we did here, but we bounce off here to go even higher, then we are risk-free. We're not going to lose any money. We already got partial, right? Because it looks like you broke out to the upside. Now you're retesting, then you continue higher. But this could be a fake out to then come down again, retest, and then continuation lower. So that's why I took the trade into this 15-minute fair value gap here. And also because it's like at the edge of my, of my channel, right? So usually when price breaks the level, it has to come down and retest it. And vice versa, if it continues down below it and then retest it, it will continue lower. So there's good confluences for sells, but there's also good confluences if it comes down, retest, and continues higher here for buys, right? Adrian, thank you for the subscription. Nice to live stream. Hope you're doing well. So yeah, guys, that's it for now. Let's see if we can come down, retest, and continue higher, or come down, close below, retest, and continue lower. This was simply a quick trade here. Let's see how long we're gonna stay in this trade. And if you're enjoying my analysis, and if you're enjoying the way I trade, and if you like what you see, and then yeah, you can check out the VIP for a month. VIP right now is $149. It's for a month, but you can also get discount with 3 months or 6 months or 1 year, right? So we do not have any promotions at the moment, but really, really nice discount for the 6 month and the yearly. So let's see here. The hourly haven't closed yet. That's also what I'm saying. Like if the hourly comes down below 38 again, then it's actually bearish, right? It's just a liquidity sweep. So far, we are respecting this high right here at 54 and respecting the fair value gap. Let's see. We got a really good entry there. If we entered like something like this, we would already have been risk-free and hit BE here, right? That's why sometimes I take some trades into some confirmation, but without the lower time frame confirmation. You know, I could easily have waited here for a 50-minute closure and then closure here and then, you know, take it here, but then we will hit BE, right? So now if it continues down, we're not going to hit BE because we got the best entry possible in the 50-minute fair value gap. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do. So far, we're still good. Okay, guys, we are moving 130 plus pips here. See if we can come down and fill the fair value gap right there at 32. Who's in this trade with me? Who's in this trade with me? Let me know your entries. I'm in from 61, 60, 55. All right. You guys, if we can come back down below the channel, take out 32 and not use it as a support, but instead use it as a bounce down below and resistance, and then continuation lower. 63, nice. 59, bro, my entry. Let's go. Come on, gold. I will whip you if you don't go down. Okay, we are moving 150 plus pips here, guys. To come down to 32, I want you to take some more partial, okay? Oh, sorry. If we come down, sweep 32 goes down to 29. That will hit our first TP. That way we're going to take more partial. We're not going to take any partial between now and TP1 because it simply just doesn't make sense. Let's see how it's going to react to my channel. Remember what I said before, guys. We have two scenarios. Either we come down to the channel, use it as a support to go higher, or we come down below it, sweep it, and then come back, retest, use that as a resistance to go lower. No music. I have to figure out where I can listen to music without getting copyrighted all the time, Andy. I'm so tired of getting mails every single day from when I go live on Twitch saying that this person is copywriting you, this person is copywriting you, this person is copywriting you. To be honest, epidemic music is so boring. Really boring. Where's the hype? Where's the... there was like some good 80s music, but... I hope someday they will grow the fuck up and say like, okay, just play Spotify, it's okay. Because everything is digital today. Everything can be streamed today. So the way that the musicians get their money either way is going to be by playing gigs like live, like on festivals and concerts and stuff like that. And doing streams. But not like the 50 cent they get from playing on Twitch or something, or YouTube. Doesn't make sense. I even had a guy who privately like sent me a message saying like, "Hey bro, you're playing my music. Can we please split the profit share?" I'm like, "Which music are you talking about? Like I played so many songs. Which music?" And then he didn't reply. Like, okay. Take the playlist of Lorenzo Corrado. What's that? Lorenzo Corrado. Is that copyright free or what? Lorenzo Corrado? Playlist? Where? On Spotify or what? Is it copyright free, bro? Playlist. Lorenzo's playlist. This could be any Lorenzo. This one, bro? That one? Lorenzo's playlist? Or no?
Get shit on, brother.
There's so many playlists here, guys. Like, which Lorenzo are we talking about? Can you just send me the link to the Spotify? Peter? This one? Maybe? Can you hear it? Can you hear it, guys? It's too loud? Is it too loud or is it okay? Bro, Peter, this guy, he has 40 songs. 37 songs. So this will be done before my stream is done. But we can take it for today. Cool. Thank you. If I don't get copyrighted for this, thank you. Guys, we are running 160 plus pips. Yeah, that's the one I found it, Peter. This is the one I'm playing right now. 37 songs. Okay. 180 plus pips, guys. Are you ready for TP1? Anybody ready for TP1? Mr. Trade, where can I enter again? DF, if we come down, hit TP1, and we, instead of coming back up again here, we're gonna retest, then we can take another sell at the retest. All right, guys, 190 plus pips. He's a nice trader too. Also, Liv uses volume profile. I still don't understand the volume profile, Peter. But if it works for him, it works for him. If it works for you, it works for you, man. Remember, only to trade what you feel comfortable with. What works for you. Like, at the end of the day, you're taking my trades because, you know, that method works for you, right? You like the way that I approach the market. And if you take his trades and you like the way he approached the market, well, that's great as well, you know? Always only risk what you can afford to lose, and only take trades that make sense to you and your method and your analysis and your strategy, right? Very nice. Yo, bits, Pons, you changed your name. You changed your name to DBT. So Pons DBT. Before your name was just DBT. Now it's Punch GPT. Yes, finally. Yo, Will. Well, you were here, man. You were here before we took the trade. You said you took your profit at 61, 63, and I even said to you, "Oh, that's where I'm gonna sell." And you were like, "Okay," and you said, like, "I'm done for the day." I'm like, "All right." And you could sell with us, but yeah, it's up to you. I was buying, sold the top. You sold, wait to sell? Sold at 62 or 61 or 59 or? Let's see if we can hit TB1, bro. Guys, now, moment of truth. Are we gonna bounce from here, use my channel, use my trend line as a support to go up again? Or are we gonna close below and then use it as a retest for a continuation down? Like absolute top. So 63? Really? What was your confirmation? I don't see anything. I couldn't match the absolute top. I could only match 59 because that was in the 0.78 level in the fair value gap. Okay, guys, TB1, come on. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Running home to my family, yo, yo. Spending all my money to my bros. Yeah. Got my watts and my wallet in the back. If you ain't got it, you ain't got it. Gotta get the way back up. In Pep City orbits. Pep City, baby. Your head is so shiny, lol. Hey, Perk. How's it going, man? Yes, it's like a shiny Pokemon. Actually, you know, I caught a shiny Pokemon yesterday. So that reminds me. Here, look at this. Pretty cool. Look at this. This is a Dewdong. Look at this. It's so shiny, like my forehead. You know? Look at that. So shiny. We're going for the TB. Ain't nobody gonna go to peep. Come on, bro. Do not figure us out like this. We got it. Come on. Now for bro, for your retest, if you want that retest, what was it? Who was it? Who was it? It was DJ. No, DFJ. DFJ, if you want that retest, what you're gonna wait for? You're gonna wait for closure below 29, and then a retest into this 15-minute favorite gap that is currently being created. But we don't know if it's gonna be a 15-minute favorite gap yet because we haven't closed bearish. But if we do, that's your retest. Oh, guys, come on. Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we sweep that 30 down to 28, 27, 26, something like that, and hit our TB1 at 29? Come on, baby. We want to see something like this. Bam, bam, boom. No way I missed the trade. Arnoldson. This one a teaser. It's a little teaser, yeah. Price should keep trending down. Well, that's what we're hoping for, El Bandino. We're hoping for that retest of 3,888. So we can buy the dip. That's finally the dip, you know? I'm still like, guys, I'm gonna buy, you know, physical gold at the 3,888, even if it comes down to 3,400 or 3,200. That is where I'm gonna buy my first physical gold, if it comes down there. I bought gold at 2,000, and this is gonna be my next buy for physical gold, just for you to know. So no financial advice, but I will also take a trade with the no stop loss at 3,888 just for myself. No, I'm not gonna put it in VIP or put it here for you guys or something like that, but I'm gonna put a trade there, which will be my first buy the dip trades. And yeah, if it goes to 3,000, it's okay for me as well. It's 8,000 pips. Okay. I'm out waiting for retest. Did you get a bullion? Did you get bullion? The DXY is currently trending in a range, but is reversing a bearish candle. This is what I'm talking about, guys. If we somehow manage to come up here, use this as support, that will take us up to the highs again. But if we can come down close below the support and now use this as a resistance, then it's looking really nice, right? Okay, guys, we are 40 pips away from TB1. Guys, 30 pips away from TB1. Any insight on what gold will do on the Asia market tomorrow? No, unfortunately not, Jakar. Asia's yesterday's Asia session or this morning's Asia session was so brutal. It came all the way down to 3,942. So I'm honestly not expecting too much from Asia session since we already got a big move there. Maybe some consolidation would make it more sense. New York session is already doing big moves here. Came all the way up here, consolidated, then came all the way up here, and now come all the way down here. So maybe Asia session will just consolidate around 4,000. We'll see. It's really just a game a fight between 4,200 and 4,000 right now. Are we closing bullish below 4,000 and coming down to that new 3,900 or 3,888, right? Or are we closing above 4,200 and coming up to that 4,380 level, right? That's basically what it is. And then we have to see, is this gonna take us to 4,600 or is this gonna take us to 3,500? That's the thing. That's the thing. We are right now in between here, and we're trying to see if we can break down below the low or break up above the high. Why does London session consolidate so much? Because during the London session, the rest of the USA is sleeping, where the big money is coming from. Wall Street, you know, from all the people going to work there at 8 a.m. in the morning or 9 a.m. in the morning, US. The stock market haven't opened yet. It's closed, and the big moves are not happening in Bitcoin, right? So mostly like London is just an accumulation zone, right? Accumulation zone for like the next big move for either Asia or New York. That's what I have been seeing for the past few months. Of course, it can change. It can always be changed. Remember when we were an all-time high, we had all-time highs hitting all the time during the London, Asia, New York session. It didn't matter. We had some lows back in 2018, 2016, where London was the, you know, that was the time where we were breaking highs or breaking lows, right? Where it was like New York was consolidating. I also think that New York is consolidating a little bit too much for my taste sometimes. We come online on Twitch or doing VIP stream like pre-New York and New York session, and then mostly we're gonna be touched by hit by this, you know, consolidation, and then waiting for price to make a move. And when once it makes a move, we can get in for that next move, but then it comes down and consolidates again, right? So Asia is my favorite for now. And as I said to you guys, after this week, if we haven't seen any improvement from New York and London, then I think I will be live for the Asia session instead, because that's where the money is made, right? That's where we can make big moves. So yeah, that's something I'm still thinking about, but I have to, you know, I have to talk to my team about it, because that means I will not be able to be live here this time. I will be live during the Asia session instead, which means you have to wait for the Asia session to open, and you have to wait for the Sydney to close before I go live. So I will probably go live 2 hours after the market opens. So at 2 a.m. my time, which means I'm going to be live from 2 to 4 a.m., which is 2 hours, where we have the golden hour, and then we also have the Asia open, right? So it used to be Asia at that time, now it's London this time. Yeah, exactly. It changes. Okay, guys, we are almost at TB1. Come on, can we do it? 40 pips. Asia would be amazing. Western Canada time trading hours are so hard. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see, Len. But regardless, like in VIP, we took 2 sells this morning during Asia session. Do it right away. Here, you can see we just took 2, and it's really not, you know, not really that interesting. But we got 100 pips here, right? And then also we got 100 pips here, right? So not the biggest on VIP sells doing Asia session for now, but the big moves is about to happen, and that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting to buy the dip up to 5,000, right? And as I told you guys, I haven't told you many times before, I'm looking for either the 10th of July or I'm looking for the 29th of July. 10th of July is just a personal target of mine. Because that's after the 4th of July, which is the Independence Day in USA. So I believe like 1 week later we could be on at the 5,000 if everything lines up. But if we start getting, you know, more like rate hikes, expectations, we're gonna see gold consolidate or go even lower for a little bit longer time, and then we have to wait until the Fed meeting. But if anything indicates that we'll have cuts later this year, then July could be the month where we're gonna rally up again. And that's what we talked about in the beginning of the year as well, when we hit the 30th of January and we just broke down from the all-time high 4,600 after the war broke out. Well, after that I said like, yeah, probably this is not gonna, you know, it's not gonna end very fast. It's not gonna end in the near future. Probably it's gonna last until August or September, but that doesn't mean that we can start to having the expectation of rate cuts before that, which is telling me July is a really good month because that's right before August and there's still 2 months away from September, right? So if we will like get our crypto bull run in September, October, that means gold is going to be a little bit ahead, which tells us August, July, right? That's why I have my expectations that we're going to be at 5,000. And guys, we just did 300 plus pips at TB1, guys. TB1 hit, TB1 smashed, boom, 300 plus pips. There we go. So our next target is going to be the 3,978. Okay, I'm going to take my risk-free trade and I'm going to trade a little bit into profit. So stop loss is now going to be at 55. Okay, 55. So 40 pips into profit. You're risk-free. You have run 300 plus pips here. Okay, so remember to take partial, guys, at here at TB1. Next TB is going to be 3,978 and the next one is going to be 3,890. For any kind of retest, I want to see this 15-minute fair value gap being tapped into after a bearish closure and then continuation downside. Okay, so our next trade will be in the 15-minute fair value gap if that's about to happen. Okay, you want hits? Yes, good. Everybody good? 300 pips right there. You got it. Hello, Oski. Nice to live stream. Hope you're doing well. We just hit 300 pips, Oski. Let's gold. And guys, if you are interested in a VIP, it's 149 for 1 month. If you are interested in copy trading, it's completely free, but you have to provide your own funds. All right. So that means I will trade your funds for you, and it's minimum $1,500, right? Including excluding bonus, right? So if you're interested in VIP, that's 149 for 1 month. You can try it out, see what it's all about. If you don't want to do that, and you just want free stuff, well, copy trading, or just come here every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, where I'm live after the stock market open and the New York session open, right? We also have boot camp and other stuff. You can just reach out to my team, check it out. All right. Oh, real bad. And if you don't have $1,500 or $2,500 to trade with the copy trading or trade for yourself in BIP, then what you can simply do, you can make account management. Account management is simply me trading for you as well, like copy trading, but it's not being copied to your account. You're basically sending me crypto so I can trade your funds for you. So that will be you reach out to me. Don't reach out to my team for that one. That was from me, right? So that will be something like this. I will send you here, right there. This is my link to Telegram. So if you're interested in trading lower than $1,500 and you don't want to join VIP, then I can still trade for you, but it will not be cover trading. It will be me trading on my own account with your funds, right? So that's also possible. Sorry, lower than $1,500. You can also have more than $1,500, but then I would just suggest you to do copy trading, right? Because then you can still monitor your trades. You can still see everything. You can still log in and see like how I'm doing and what I'm trading, right? Okay, let's see here. So guys, we're approaching 4,020. 4,020. Yeah, I have Discord right here. Will. Why would you do free copy trading? Well, because we're doing profit split, Will. Will, look at this. Free copy trading is that you put your funds, right? So that's your risk, that's your funds, right? My risk is that I have to trade your money and make sure we win. Because if I don't win, I don't get any profit. and you also don't get any profit, right? So if I win, for example, $100, we do profit split. So you will get 70% and I will get 30%, depending on how much funds you have. Maybe you have less, then it's going to be 60-40. If you if you have like if you have more, it's going to be 20-80, right? So you can get 80%. I will only get 20%, right? For example, it depends on your funds. So there's copy trading and there's account management. It's up to you. It's profit split, so we just split. So let's say I make $1,000 and you have 80-20 split. That means you get 80%. That means you get $800 and I get 20%, which is going to be $200. Okay, does it make sense? So if you're interested in that, you can reach out to me for account management. If you're not interested in that, you just want copy trading, then you can do that. Let's say 5 UK, yes, 5,000. Let's say 5,000 and you do account management. That means if I make $5,000 onto your $5,000, then you're on $10,000. That means we split $5,000. So let's say you have 80% because you provide that much funds. Then you will get 80% of that $5,000 I make on top of your $5,000, and I will get 20%. But if you don't provide that kind of funds, if you, let's say you could only provide 2,000, then maybe it will be 30-70%, or it will be 40-60, right? Get it? You can monitor it, Will. If it's copy trading, you can completely monitor it because you have the app. You have the app, and you can see. You can, like, if you have MT5, right? You're on MT5, right? It will be like you're trading yourself. It'll be like you're trading yourself. You look at your MT5 and you can just monitor it. You just don't touch anything. Okay? That XC work? I don't know what XC is. It's going to be on our broker. If you want it to be, if you don't want it to be on our broker, if you just want it to be like just me trading, then you can just do account management, right? There is account management and there's copy trading. PT copy trading is on our broker because I need to monitor the system. I need to connect your account to mine, everything like that. But if you don't want that, then you can just do account management. Then it's just simply you sending crypto to me. So that's the difference. You want your own. Yeah, but I don't have that kind of service. I'm sorry, bro. I don't have copy trading on other people's brokers as of yet. So are you interested in copy trading or are you interested in account management, bro? What is the price for retest, Abdi? The retest is here, 4,040 to 4,044. I'll DM you. Okay. All right. My link here, right there. There you go. So guys, we are risk-free now with our stop loss at BE and also below BE. Our new BE is 4,055. We got 300 pips and now we need to see, can we break below the previous low here, which is going to be the London low, right? Let's see here. Is this, yeah. So the London low is here, but the actual Asia low is down here at 1 a.m. And if you take it from the Asia session started after the Tokyo, then it's here around 3,960. So you can target either this low here. Oh, sorry. You can target either this low, which is the ultimate Asia low, or you can target this low here, which is the Sydney, after the Sydney open Asia low, right? Then you have the London low here, which we also can target. But I would like to see if price can come back up and now use our previous support that got totally rejected and got totally smashed through as a resistance to go lower. So if you want to get lower prices, I would like to see a retest into this fair value gap. Okay? And we sell between 4,040 and 4,044 if we get the confirmation, yes. This year I didn't need the confirmation because I already had all the confluences. We had lower lows and then we came up to this lower high. We took out the high here. We came up to this 50-minute fair value gap. And of course, you're not going to take out this high because there's no reason for us to go to 4,200 yet before we come down to take the Asia low. So for me, I had confluences to take this one, but for this one, I would have to wait for more confirmation. So I would like to see price come up, tap it, and then create a 15-minute bearish candle for me to take more sales down to 4,000. Add me on Discord. Sure. I just said yo to you, just so you know it's me. Be careful with scammers, guys. If you join... if you join the Discord or the Telegram, there will be impersonators, okay? There will be impersonators trying to reach out to you. They're not me, okay? If you want to know who is me on Discord or on Telegram, you can see it right here. This is my Discord right here. As you can see here, this is my name. Freedom Future Orbits. I'm here, the only one who has this badge, Freedom Future Orbits. Okay, Freedom Future Orbits, that's the badge. Right there, Freedom Future Orbits. Oh, you can see it. Nice. Freedom Future Orbits. And then Freedom Admin. I'm the only one who both have the Freedom Future Orbits and Freedom Admin. Okay, the only one. So I'm in the top here. Not to be in the top, but so you guys can see this is me. That's the verification for here, right? For Telegram, I have premium badge, so I will have this star up in the top of my corner, right? You see that? See the star right here? That's my verification badge on Telegram, so you know it's me. Okay. Same thing on Instagram. I have the verification badge. In order for you to get this verification badge, guys, you need to provide your ID, right? So there cannot be two of you. There can only be one account. Sorry guys, I'm still sick. There can only be one account with a verification of address verification and also your identification verification, right? So if you have provided your passport on Instagram or Telegram or Discord or whatever it is, then there cannot be anyone who has the same badge as you, because you are the only one. Can be two of you. So just be aware of scammers, guys. Please, always. All right. I'm gonna see here. I'm texting you now, bro. I replied to you, bro. See you later. See you, man. Take care. Have a good one. Hi, Mr. What can I do now? Wait for buy or sell at what price? Bro, we hit TP1. We are currently waiting for a retest into this fair value gap or into these trend lines here. If we can manage to come up into this area here, I'm looking for one more sell. Okay. Oh, that was too big. There we go. We can manage to come up here and we reject from here. We can add one more sell. Okay. But currently we are in a sell and we went risk free. And then we trail our stop loss to 55. Just above here. Why? Because there is a missing top wick right there. So I know that price might come back here if I don't be careful. I'm not careful. Are you trading overtime or just while you're live? Hey, Space. So I trade with VIP and I trade for my own funds and my wife's funds. And I trade here when I'm live. When I'm live here with you guys on Twitch, I'm only live for 2-3 hours, which means we can only take the trades that we can take here. So if we don't get a retest here while I'm live, you only get one trade. If we get a retest here, you could get a second trade. If we get another fair value gap here, we get another level that we break and then retest, probably not, then we would get free trades, right? So I don't really overtrade it, and I'm not really going for overtime. I'm just seeing what is possible while I'm live here. And then when I'm going for VIP signals later, then I will send a VIP signal that can last much longer, because I don't have to be live for that before tomorrow, right? I'm live like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. for the VIP, a pre-New York session, so I can always update them for the signals, and I can go live with them and explain why I did what I did, so they can just follow along there. But here on Twitch, you can only get what I am in for those 2 free hours, right? So if we only get 1 trade, we only get 1 trade. If you only get 2 trades, we only get 2 trades. Hi, congratulations for the trade. For the moment, I haven't followed the trade. If there are conditions for another one, I'm here to follow it through. Okay, cool, Liv. Happy to hear that. Orbis, what's your favorite Pokemon? My favorite Pokemon is Golden Sableye. Shiny Sableye. It's so nice. I'll show you, bro. Here. I mean, look at it. I mean, you cannot not love this. Look at it. Look at that. So pretty. Many thanks, Sobits, for helping me to earn $200 in less than 2 hours. Abdi, you are very welcome. If you are interested, you can also join for copy trading or VIP in the future if you would like. But I guess if you have made $200, then probably $149 is not what you're going for. But it's for a month though, so you could easily get that back. But yeah, that's up to you. But yeah, we are waiting for a retest here, Abdi. We're waiting for a retest here to take another trade, or we're waiting for a break here below here to take more cells. Right? That's what we are looking for right now. I can't guarantee that we're gonna get it, guys. But I can tell you that we are looking for lower prices for the 3,888 level to the 3,500 level. Leave, I just replied to you on Telegram. Oh, basically, if you don't have that kind of budget for the copy trading, you can also just do account management, you know? If you do account management, you have to put less funds. Or you don't have to put less funds, but you can put less funds, right? Wait. Second, guys. Mm-hmm. Is there a way to always follow your channel or another way? Well, I'm live here for absolutely free every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, leave until I will reschedule my live stream to be doing the Asia session. But if you want VIP, then VIP is $149 per month. So you can try it out for 1 month to see what I'm all about. If you like the way I trade and the way I approach the market, that's totally up to you. If you don't want that, you can also do copy trading, account management. You can even do like a boot camp, right? It's totally up to you. But for the free stuff, yeah, you can just join me here every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm live here on Twitch. Guys, we're waiting for our level. We are almost there. So just give me a minute, okay? I'll be right back. My account is 500 euro, brother. Very small, but since I met you live, you actually won all trades like 5, 6, or went risk-free. Bessie, that's amazing, man. If you have a 500 euro or 500 pounds like account, then I don't expect you to join the VIP. But I'm happy if you can grow your account to $1,000 just by watching here on Twitch alone. That's amazing, bro. I'm happy to hear that. Very happy to hear that. And thank you again, Liv, for congratulating me on the trade. Here real quick, guys. Have to check something. We're still waiting for the next level. Sure, that's what I like to do. Reach a better budget, then set copy trading with you. Retest incoming. Yes, Johnny. Yes, yes, yes. Let's see it happening.
Dat bald guy underscore just subscribed for 3 months in a row.
Hey.
LETSSSSSGOOO.
Let's go. Let's go. Thank you so much for the 4 months in a row, bro. I don't know why the AI said like 3 months in a row, but it says 4 months in a row here for me. 4 months total. Thank you so much for the tier 1 subscription. You always follow me, bro, and then you're always here. So thank you so much again. Yeah, and let's see if we can buy the dip, bro. That would be amazing. If we can come down to 3,888 or 3,600 or 3,400, we buy the dip and it goes to 5,000 by 10th of July or 29th of July. That will be absolutely fantastic. Hopefully it will happen, bro. But let's sell down there together, right? So thank you for following every step of the way, bald guy, and from one bald guy to another bald guy, right? Isn't that? I'm not completely bald, but like, you know, from one bald guy to another bald guy, we can have that one, right? That's that strong connection, you know. We have the special connection because we are both some baldies. You know, I stay showing love even if we lose. You're the greatest. Vibes, music, even if when you're sick, you held us down. Yeah. I'm trying my best, bro. I'm trying my best. Trying my absolute best. So, guys, we are still waiting for price to approach our 50-minute family gap. If you don't know and you just joined, we are in a sell here from 4,059. We went risk-free and even trail our stop loss to 55. We took out 300 pips here at TB1 right here. And now we're waiting for price to retest and continuation down, right? So that's what we currently are waiting for at the moment. The only thing we have to be aware of is that this long wick here looks like a rejection channel, right? So that means if price has a hard time like coming down from this level here, then what possibly can happen is that this is a high and then this is this is the higher low, and then we'll have a higher, right? And then this will be invalidated. But what I want to see, I want to see that it has a hard time coming up here and it has a hard time coming down here, right? Because that makes it more confirmed, it makes it more validated of a trade, right? Because if I see price suddenly creates a 50-minute candle coming up, closing here very strong with a lot of momentum, closing above the fair value gap, then it's not a trade I want to take. Then it's invalidated, right? So that's what you need to keep in mind. Okay, just make sure, guys, you only risk what you can afford to lose, and you always are looking for the best possible trades, and you don't chase price, and you don't want to, you know,
Get shit on, brother.
suddenly get in at really weird prices, right? We didn't chase price here. We waited for price to come up and sweep the high. We waited for it to come up to sweep the channel. What happened is that we came up into my 15-minute fair value gap. We entered for the sell. We went risk free. We trail our stop loss to 55. Why 55? Because we still are missing this top wick here at 51, which means if I trail it all the way down here to this fair value gap and we come up retest, then we're out of that trade. Instead, we can take another trade here from this fair value gap, and we can have 2 trades running down to buy the dip, right? So this order block here looks pretty strong. We just need that retest into the fair value gap or coming up for a top wick here, and then we can take another sell. But so far, it is struggling to just move a little bit here. So I think this is going to be it. I'm not sure, guys. I'm trying my best. But if you are really, really annoyed by how gold is going up and down and back and forward and never ever seen any kind of progress, and you're not really growing your account because this environment, this Trump, all these things happening in the world right now, it's making it really difficult to trade gold. If you're having a hard time trading it, you can join the copy trading. Copy trading is 100% hands-free copy trading, which means I'm trading for you, not on your account, but on behalf of your account. So I trade on my own account, and then every single trade of mine will be copied towards your account, which means it's 100% free because it's just your funds. So you deposit your funds yourself, and you don't pay me anything. All things we're doing is that we're just splitting the profit. So it's profit split, right? That means if I make a profit, we will split the profit. If I lose, you will lose. If I win, you will win. So that's how it is. If you want that, that's up to you. But it's $1,500 plus for copy trading. And the best thing is with the bonus to get above $2,500 so that we can make sure that you are safe and sound, right? So that's about it. VIP is 149, but yeah, if you don't have that kind of funds to join copy trading, you probably don't have the one for VIP as well. But yeah, we are currently waiting for a retest here and then a continuation down. Let's see. If you have any questions, reach out to my team. Let them know that you're interested in copy trading. And if you don't have that kind of funds, guys, account management is also a thing. You can just simply send me crypto directly onto my account instead. So I don't need $1,500 or $2,500. You can send whatever you have, and then I will trade that for you, and we just split that. But the reason why it makes sense for us to do that is because on my account I have much bigger funds, so you don't have to worry about the funds, right? That's why any funds can really be happening. But please don't send me $50 or $100 because not, you know, it's not gonna do anything, right? So yeah, it's up to you. Let's see. Remember, for copy trading, you reach out to my team. For account management, you reach out to me. So this is me. Hello. There you go. Guys, if we don't have the push up to my level in the next 15 minutes, then it's going to be difficult. And then I think what we're going to do is we're going to call it a day. Call it a day and yeah, move on from there. Thank you so much, Obits, for staying now, even after hitting the TB1. I hope to see the retest before you go. Yeah, that would be great, app. That would be great. I hope we'll get there, but it's having a hard time. And we are stuck in this consolidation hill here. So Doesn't really look like it wants to give it to us, huh? What do you think, guys? Are we gonna get the retest or no? Retest with instant TP, please. Yeah, I think it's gonna be for the VIP, my friend. Johnny. I think it's gonna be for the VIP. Okay, guys, doesn't really look like we want to retest. But keep an eye out. If you get a 15-minute bullish candle closing below the fair value gap, you retest the fair value gap and then you close below, then you can sell down to the lower levels of 3,978 or 3,890. If you're already in this trade with me, then you can hold the trade until some of these TPs here, and then you can wait to buy the dip probably tomorrow or like in the next few days. Okay, we are waiting for the 4th of July, Independence Day at Saturday, where we will see a lot of things happening during the weekend, and then when the market opens Monday morning, either we could go there and really rally and that's the dip and then it's done and you can see gold fly high, or we're gonna wait for either the 10th of July or the 29th of July. But regardless, I think July is gonna be the month where gold is gonna have its last remaining support before we start breaking higher, creating the higher highs in the August and September. And that's when you're gonna see Bitcoin as well reaching the all-time highs as well in September, October, November, right? So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Take care tomorrow, same time, okay? After a stock market open and New York session, and I'll see you for VIP later. And yeah, if you're not in VIP yet, you can still join. Reach out to my team if you have any questions. Let me know. Guys, see you. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Seen anybody do the things you do before.